Hey, Thomas at Model Match here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can connect Model Match into tools like Claude, ChatGPT, and leverage all the data that's in Model Match with the Model Match MCP. Now, this is super powerful stuff because now we're going to be able to leverage Model Match data like data on loan officers and companies and branches and real estate agents, properties, all directly inside of the tools that most of us are already using. We're already doing work. We can do so many cool things. We can build presentations. We can do deeper research. We can build custom reports. We can even build custom internal apps that we might be using internally with our team. So it's super easy to get started. And the Model Match MCP is available on all accounts. So no matter what Model Match account you are on or you are using, you can get started using the MCP today. Let's jump in and walk through those steps. Super straightforward. What you're going to want to do is inside of your Model Match account, let's click on our name up here at the top. Let's come down and click on settings. Now in our settings, we want to come down here to where it says integrations, and we're going to click on connectors. Now, depending on what tool you're using, Claude or ChatGPT, you can make that selection. I do use Claude Desktop, so I would select Claude. If you are wanting to plug the Model Match MCP server into any other tool, any custom tool, or just a tool that's not listed here, you'll want to click on the generic MCP. There's tons of instructions for different scenarios. So you'll want to click on this option here. I'm going to click on Claude. You can see that I've installed it in the past, which is awesome. So I'm going to click on Claude. So it'll tell me if I already have it. We can always click on Open Claude. We can open up our desktop or the web version. There's some really helpful info, just a high-level overview about what you can do. We can search loan officers and agents, companies, lenders. It really touches all of the Model Match data, including, of course, market data as well. And we're going to see we have sections for each type of Claude that we might be using. So if you use Claude Web, you'll want to follow these instructions. If you use desktop like myself, there's instructions for you there. And also, if you use Claude Code, you want to plug the Model Match MCP into Claude Code, you can do that there. And there's some helpful commands to get started. Now, I'm going to come up here, and what you want to do is you want to click and copy the MCP server URL for Model Match. So it's right here. It's going to click on this copy button, and then we're going to jump over to Claude, and we're going to plug that in. Okay, so on Claude, what we're going to want to do is I use the desktop version. It's very similar process if you use the web version. We're going to go ahead and click on Customize from the menu, and we're going to click Connectors. And then we're going to go ahead and click the plus sign up there at the top and click Add Custom Connector. Now we can give it any name that we want. Let's call it Model Match MCP. Go ahead and now paste in that MCP server URL. And we're going to click Add. Now what it's going to do is it's going to go through the MCP. It's going to start to look at all the tools that are available, and it's going to list out all of those tools that we have access to. There's tons. There's 127 tools right now that you can access. If you like, you can absolutely go through these, see what's available. But I always recommend, let's click that back button. Let's go back to Claude. Let's ask Claude what it can do. And it's going to start to list out a whole bunch of really cool stuff that we can do. You know, we can pull up individual LOs. We can track their production, their loan volume, lending patterns, all that with real estate agents and company and market data, property data, market analytics, and it's going to give you a ton of examples. So if you don't have the MCP connected today, absolutely jump into Model Match. It's available on all plans. Click on connectors under integrations. If you don't have a Model Match account today and you want to get set up, click the link down below in the description of this video. You can get started 14 days for free. Plug in the MCP, give it a try. It's super powerful. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to our team. We're always happy to help out.